Let's learn how you can fix and increase local volume. So let us start. So the first step you can do is just trying to increase normal volume with volume buttons when you're on call. So this should help. If you're already on max and it doesn't change anything, you need and to see if there is anything in a way or blocking the speaker you are using as on call. So the next step you can do is to open settings, go to accessibility, open it, go to hearing devices and check hearing aid compatibility. Now just enable it and go back. Here what you can do is to open audio and visual, scroll down and just disable phone noise cancellation. So for you it should be like this. So you just need to disable it and this will reduce ambient noise. So it can help you or the person you talk to hear you better. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.